Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 8 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 8 Cumulative Real Estate Valuation. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Exp22 as a chapter 8. Okay. Start Excel, download and open the file name. Basically in this step we will have to download Excel workbook from Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Lab dashboard. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math and more many courses. You can contact me for your help. I will be available 24 hours. I will provide you A+ grade in your courses. Now moving on step number 2. Step number 2 is that ensure the sales data worksheet is active. Then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of the square footage. Go to Excel workbook. Okay. Sales data worksheet is active. Division square footage home located in column C. Place your result. The ranges H4 to H11. We will have to enter a frequency function on column C in frequency function in H4. We will have to enter a function H4 frequency function. Then we will enter ranges value C4 to C30. Okay. Then G4 to G11. Okay, then press enter. Then press enter, it will be fine. Okay, 0. I have done this. Place the result in the range. Okay, I have done this step now. Now moving on to step number 3. Step number 3 is that enter a function in cell J4 to calculate the standard deviation of the current home values column E. This step has 6 numbers. You can contact me for your course help through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given a description and on my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignments and your exams and your complete course. Okay, enter function in J4. Click on cell J4. Then we will have enter function stdv.s stdv function. Then we will enter function stdv E4 to E30. Okay, then press enter. stdv function and cell J4 stdv, then E4 to E30. Then press enter. It will define standard deviation 10.7262.5131. Okay, I have done this step. You can see I have done 3 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that enter a function in cell J7 to calculate the variances of current home values column E. Basically in this step we will enter a function in cell J7. We will enter a function in cell J7. Go to Excel workbook and cell J7. Var function and cell J7. Then E4 to E30. Okay. Then for variances found. Okay. Then press enter. The var function, then E4 to E30. Then press enter. It will be found variances. Okay, it will be fine. I have done this step now. Now moving on to next step. Next step number is step number 5. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Step number 5 is that enter a function in cell J10 to calculate the covariances between square footage column C and the current home values column E. Basically, in this step we will enter a function in cell J10 to calculate the covariances between square footage and the current home values. Okay. Moving on, Excel workbook. Then we will enter a function cell J10. Click on cell J10. Then we will have to enter a function correl function covariance dot covar function, then C4 to C30. Okay, then E4 to 30. Okay, then press enter. It will define covariances. Then press enter. Okay, it will define covariances. I have done this step. You can see here on my Excel workbook. I have done step number 5. Now moving on next step. Next step number is step number 6. Step number 6 is that enter a function in cell J13. Enter a function in cell J13 to calculate the correlation between square footage column C and the current home values column E. But basically in this step we will have to enter a function in cell J13 for calculating the relation between square footage and current home. Okay, go to J13. Then go correl function C4 to C13, C4 to C30, E4 T30. Okay, then press enter. It will be shown value of correlation. Then press enter and it will be shown value. Okay, I have done this step. You can see here I have done this step. I have done 6 steps of this assignment. Now moving on next step. Next step number is step number 7. In step number 7, apply accounting number format to the cell J4. Basically in this step we will have apply accounting number format on cell J4. Click on cell J4 and then we will have to apply accounting number format. Go to Excel workbook. Click on cell J4. Then apply accounting number format. Go to the general and then apply accounting number format. Then okay, it will be applying accounting number format. Okay, I have done this step. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that insert a histogram based on the square footage located in column C. Okay, move the chart so the upper left column cell J15. Resize the chart so if fills the ranges J15, J28. Basically in this step we will have insert a histogram based on the square footage located column C. Okay, square footage column selected. Then go to the insert, go to the insert chart, then art chart, histogram. Okay, then press OK. It will be created histogram. Then move chart to left column G15. Move the chart so that upper left column G15. Move chart in G15. Here is G15. Okay. Resize the chart so it fills the ranges G15 to J23. Resize the column G15, J23. Okay. Okay, I have resizing this column. I am resizing. You will resize this column. Okay, I have done this step. I have done 8 step of this assignment for. I have done 8 step. Now moving on step number 9. Step number 9 is that ensure the analysis toolbar is active. Make the subdivisions worksheet active. Use the analysis toolbar to perform a single factor NOVA including labels on the ranges E2 to see it. Go to the subdivisional worksheet. So you go to this subdivisional worksheet. Okay, go to the subdivisional worksheet. Then we will go to first subdivision worksheet. Then we will go to data analysis. Okay, use the analysis toolbar to perform single ANOVA including label the range. Go to then press on click on single ANOVA factor. We will go to as well. Okay, single ANOVA factor. Okay, then press OK. Then input value is that ANOVA single factor this. Then ANOVA labels. Okay, then place result starting at G4. Place result in output range is G4. Click on search G4. Then label in the single button including the label on the chart. Okay, so okay, label, then press OK. It will be created single ANOVA factor. Okay, you can see here on my PC screen it will be show single ANOVA factor. Okay, I now column resizing as needed. J for column G and for column H and for column I and J K. Okay, we will resize column as needed. Okay, you can see I have resizing this column. You can see column K and resizing this. Okay, okay, done. This step is completed now. Now moving on next step. Next step number 10. I have done 9 step of this assignment. You can see on my PC screen 9 step is completed now. Now moving on next step. Step number 10. Step number 10 is that create a forecast sheet that depicts increase in home valuation in the Gatewood subdivision based on the square footage. Set the forecast square footage is to 3500 and place the result as new worksheet named Gatewood forecast. Go to as a workbook. First we select this column B to C. Then go to forecast sheet. Then forecast one is 3500. Okay, and then place the result as new worksheet named Gatewood forecast. Rename this sheet. Right click on this. Okay, right click on this and rename as Gatewood forecast. Resize and position in the chart to fill the range G2 to B25. G2 to G25. Resize the position. G2 to G25. Okay, okay, was called Gatewood forecast advanced with the I have done this step. Now moving on step number 11. Step number 11 is that make for cost worksheet active and create a scatter plot chart that place the square footage on x-axis and purchase price on y-axis. Go to Excel workbook, go to the for cost sheet, then go to the create a scatter plot chart, go to the insert tab, go to Excel workbook. Okay, go to the Excel work and go to the insert tab. First with this square purchase price column, this ranges will be selected, then go to the insert and go to the chart, all chart and scatter chart, x by scatter. Okay, this chart will be created. Be sure to add appropriate chart title. Okay, I have done 11 step of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link in given in description and email and WhatsApp are shows on PC screen. Both are given in description and on my PC screen. You can contact me for your complete course. You can contact me for your assignment help. I can do all courses, math, accounting, finance, business classes. You can contact me, please. I will provide you A+ graded. And thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.